Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is an update. We're going to revert from LED lights back to original halogen lights on this Halogen. So first things first, I don't like the fitment. LED lights require the little fan to cool them down, so they don't fit exactly inside the box. They have to stay like this. I just disconnected the clamp so it's easier to get it disconnected. Just like that, we're gonna release this little dust cover just like that, and that should give us access to the bulb. It's clamped onto the car's headlamp, and we're gonna have to take it off and then put a new bulb right in. So yeah, you don't require any tools to do that. It's a bit difficult to access just because of the battery. On the other side it's much easier because there's nothing, but still shouldn't be an issue. So let's disconnect this dust cover and see what's going on. Okay, so just give it a strong pull and that will pop the connector out. The same with the connector for the LED lamp. Take off this dust cover, just prevents the water and the dust getting in, and that will show our clamp over there, which is holding the LED light in place. I will show you what's going on because on LED lights it's a bit different. You have to set first the connector to sit in place, then you have to put a clamp. So we took off the dust cover just like that. We had to push it through the connector, and that's our LED lamp, the little ventilator that cools it down. And to take it off, you have to put the hand on the ventilator, then twist it towards the right, or not towards the, yeah, towards the, you have to twist it this way to unlock it. And I think that's counterclockwise, that's correct. And this will give us access to the LED bulb, and we're going to take it out. So this is the LED bulb. You have to also disconnect the clamp which held it in place. Just push on it, and then pull it, push and push, pull and push at the same time. It's very weird. So it's just over there, it's held into a little place. You have to push it that way and then pull it out of the way to disconnect. So with the clamp disconnected, now we got access to the holder, which we just scoop it out, and looks like this. This is to adapt the LED on the same pattern as the H4, and you unscrew, actually you screw the LED through here, so it will just be like that. Put this in and then screw it. Right, and with this out of the way, that's our headlamp. Now we take the new bulb from here, and we will do the same procedure, just upside down. There is no hassle to use adapters or anything like that. So it comes like this. Put it like that, and then put a clip onto it, and it will stay in place. Put the dust cover back on, and then the connector. So yeah, let's do that. So that's how we mount it. Then we have to put the little thing on top of it to keep it secured. When you mount it, make sure you don't touch the glass bit, because if you get fingerprints or dust on it, it might shorten the life of the bulb. And you can also see it in there somewhere. Yeah, just over there, to make sure that it is the correct position, that it doesn't wobble around. And yeah, let's secure it in there, and then get the dust cap back on. Okay, with the thing secured with a little clip over it, I'm gonna put this nicely just like that on top of it. The difficult bit is gonna be to get a connector. What we're gonna do, we're actually gonna put the connector first, and then it dropped. I'm gonna put the connector first, and then actually get the connector through here, and then put it that way. So at least we can put the dust cover back. Okay, now we should be good. Connected everything back, and works. And the aim is not that off, to be honest. So this was the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you.